They're full, they're strong. It's time they can have a little play. Umemuona? Umemuona? We are actually trying to look for Dololo, who has just nicked off from the crop. So we don't know where he is, but we just have to look around, try to trace where he is. If you look, there is, something or an animal has come like this. Somewhere here, you can see the footprints going to this direction, and we came from this side, so he can't be on this side. So I'll just try walk to direction, towards this direction and see. Yeah, there he is. There he is. He's there. Hi, guys. You do kites. What are you doing here all alone? Dololo? Huh? What is wrong? Nkoka? You followed Dololo all the way up to here. They are about a half kilometer away from the rest of the group. And, just by luck, I came across those footprints. We need to go back to the group. We go back to Malikia. We go back to Sana. Twende. The dust and the soil, some of it stuck on the body. It will help him from protecting his thin skin because of his condition. Naturally, in the wild, their mothers will be doing this. So this is one way of the keepers or the human family trying to interact with these orphans. It's just caring to me, following me because of that. The color of an elephant, it is always the color of the soil within the area they are located. Our elephants, they are looking brown or red in color just because of the red soil that we have in Nairobi. Within Tsavo, the soil looks kind of more grayish compared to the nursery here. So when they get to Tsavo, they will then start having that color of the soil within Tsavo. I'm looking forward in another 5 years to see Dololo back in the wild, just like Malikia. But he still has got a long way to go. He has to be ready before he gets there. Yeah. It's just a matter of time.
There's a baby piglet living on a farm who has an issue with one of his legs. After today, he probably won't be alive. Okay. It's very hard for us to plan to do anything because something always comes up and changes our entire day. So when people are like, you're always late, I'm like, I can't even explain why. And if I told you why I was late, you probably wouldn't believe me. You excited to meet this new little piggy?
Yeah. Let's go pick up that piggy.
Good job, buddy. Hello, girl.
I want to see the baby.
Let's bring her in. That way you can see her in the light, okay? One sec. Okay, remember we have to stay very calm and quiet so we don't scare her. Right? Hey, baby girl. Oh my goodness. She's gonna be really scared, okay? Because she doesn't know us yet.
Why?
Just like, remember when Peppa and George were really scared?
What? Now they're not scared.
Right, because now they know us, but she doesn't know us
That's so. But Peppa and George are there.
yet. Come here, little girl. Your leg is a little weird. This little girl has something wrong with her legs. The breeder can't sell her, so there's no reason to keep her on with her mom to him. She's so sweet.
She's so cute.
You know. How about some food? Let me make you up some food, okay? Can you hold her while I go make her
But
food?
I can't.
I'm gonna wrap her.
But she's so scared.
That's why I'm gonna wrap her up. Ready?
No.
Okay. You got her?
Yeah.
Nice and tight.
Yeah.
I'll make her food. Okay. Baby piggy bag.
How is she? Is she okay?
She's wrapped in her blanket.
They don't have contact with humans, so they're all terrified. This is like her first positive interaction with people.
She's really scared. Because she's still a baby.
They are babies, but they're very similar to human babies. It definitely helps having a human child, but honestly, like, before I had Deacon, I think working with animals helped me learn things for when I was going to be a mother. Because just for caring for all the animals, it definitely prepared me for being a mother. She's sleeping.
Yes.
Thank you for holding her. Okay, shh, let's be really quiet and see if she'll eat. She doesn't know how to drink or eat out of a bowl yet. Gonna taste it. Oh, is it good?
She thinks it's so good.
Is it good? So what's her name?
Topsy, because she has spots on her and she's so fast.
Chopsy?
Yeah. That's a good name, right?
Sure.
Chopsy's what?
Topsy is my little brother.
But she's a girl.
Yeah, and she's a little tiny girl lover for me.
We do everything that we can to physically heal an animal. And if we can do all that and we're successful, the next step is emotionally supporting them. We want them to be happy. We want them to live their best life. And that includes having a little family.
All right. Then we have the small one. Hey, Marshy. He really does look like a stuffed animal. He just looks so damn small. He's another one that's just very tired. When they're premature like this, it just takes them a long time to get up their energy again. But he's keeping the food down. It's all looking good for him, really. Preemie pups, I would usually wait until they're probably at least a week here, until I declare them stable. You gotta keep an eye on all of them. All right, we'll let you go back to sleep, buddy. Come on, Marshmallow. Time to go. Marshmallow came in. He was a very tiny, premature born seal. Thankfully, he did really, really well. Perfect. Good. Fluffy boy. There we go, Falafel. Oh, it came out by itself. Good job, Falafel.
You can see this does not compare to the pools that we have. If you watch seals enter the wild, you actually see that just joy. No.
Oh, Marshy, silly child.
Of course, we're gonna miss seeing them at the center, but this is what it's all for.
This Falafel's heading out now.
It's more happiness than sadness.
Heading further and further away. Exactly what you want to see.